What is up, guys? B Monkey here, and today we are going to be reviewing the GoPro Hero 7 White. So let's get into the video. So this GoPro has it's the white. So as you can see right there, the 7 White, it is the worst out of the silver and black. So the black is better, but this is a lot cheaper and it's pretty good. It's around like $200 online. So yeah, you can find it at Best Buy. And yeah, so let's get into the features of this GoPro 7 White. This GoPro has a touchscreen. So when you turn it on, you can see that it shows up with the GoPro symbol, and it takes a little bit long to load, but yeah, it's a basic touchscreen. And then to charge it, you have this USB cable you get with it. So you just open this hatch up right here, and that SD card goes right here, and you just touch it right here, and you plug it into whatever outlet you want. So that is really nice. And so the GoPro, it has, when you swipe down like this, it has voice control, beeping sounds, and quick capture, and auto screen lock. And when you go to these preferences, you can turn on and off all the settings. You can check the connections, and a way that you can change like your FPS and other like frames per second is you can download the GoPro app, and it will let you change all that stuff. So what you need to do is you need to connect your GoPro to its own Wi-Fi. As you can see, mine is connecting right now. And you would head back to your GoPro app, and you can actually sync it to your screen so you can see what your GoPro is seeing. And this is a really nice feature. And sorry if the audio is off, because I did not get the audio to work, so I'm just doing a voiceover. And yeah, so that is a really cool feature that you can do, and you can set it up like that so you know what you're seeing on your phone from your GoPro. And you can change the resolution from 180 to 440, and the frames per second to 30 from 60. So this in the field is just wide, and then you have all these other features that you can use. This is a really nice feature from the GoPro app. So that is a really nice feature. And we got the zoom button right here, so we get zoom in, zoom out. We got the slow-mo button, and then we have the 15-second clip, but I normally do not use that. So yeah, when you start recording, you basically, it blinks red right here, and it blinks red right here. So when you're like this, it really gives a nice feeling when you're recording, because it blinks red right there. And when you just stop, it blinks a few times to know when you stopped. And to see all your clips, you swipe up like this, and you can see all of your clips. Here is the GoPro Hero 7 White. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Peace out.